Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy crypto in Zebpay. First, ensure your Zebpay account is fully set up and verified. This crucial step allows you to access all trading features securely. Next, you'll need to deposit funds into your Zebpay wallet. You can typically do this via bank transfer or other supported payment options. Once your funds are available, you're ready to proceed to the buying process within the app. Now that your account is funded, open the Zebpay app and find the Buy section. Here, you'll see a list of available cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin or Ethereum. Choose the one you want to purchase. Then, simply enter the amount you wish to spend or the quantity of crypto you want to acquire. Before finalizing, always review the order details, including the current price and any associated transaction fees, to ensure accuracy. After carefully reviewing your order, including the amount and fees, proceed to confirm your purchase. Zebpay will process your transaction swiftly. Once completed, your newly bought cryptocurrency will be visible in your Zebpay wallet, ready for you to hold or trade. Remember, the crypto market can be volatile, so it's always wise to monitor market trends and news to make informed decisions about your investments. To keep your investments safe, always enable two-factor authentication on your Zebpay account. This adds an extra layer of security against unauthorized access. It's also vital to understand that cryptocurrency investments carry inherent risks, so only invest what you can afford to lose. For those looking to deepen their financial understanding, check out the description for a link to a fantastic book, The Simple Path to Wealth, and other great deals. It's a resource that could truly transform your financial perspective.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.